What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my own gel nails in the comfort of my own home. So if you're interested in finding out how I transform my nails at home, then just keep watching. In order to do your own gel nails at home, you will need a few items, and that is gel polish. You're going to need a base coat, a polish, and a top coat, just like you would with regular nail polish, as well as a UV or LED lamp. These are the products that I use. These are by Madam Glam, and what I use is a builder gel polish. This is a very thick polish that actually helps build up the nail, making them kind of hard, almost like acrylic, so that they don't break and they don't peel and they last longer. In this video, I'm specifically going to show you how I paint my gel nails and not how I build them. So if you're interested in finding out how I build my base, then let me know and I'll do a video on that. Then this is the polish that I'm going to be using on my nails today. This is the Madam Glam Chameleon Gel Polish in the shade Cup of Tea. It actually changes colors. And then this is the top coat that I'm going to use, which is a no wipe top coat, which is my favorite. And then this chrome powder, which is called Rum and Coca-Cola by Madam Glam. This gives such a beautiful chrome finish to the nails. You guys will see. It's so beautiful. And even though I already have the gel builder on my nails, this is the exact steps that I would follow if I was doing this on my natural nails as well. I like to create a little bit of roughness on the nail surface to help the gel adhere to the nail. So this is what I do first. Of course, you want to sanitize your hands and all of that. This is what I do to my own nails. This is not something that I do on clients or anything like that. So this is just to do on your own nails in the comfort of your own home. So now I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam polish. This is in the shade Cup of Tea. It's their chameleon polish. And this is so cool because it changes colors when your hands are cold. It's this nice deep purpley pink color. And then when your hands are hot, it turns to a very light pale lilac pink color. So I think it's really neat. Now, if you were doing this on your natural nails, the first step would be to go in with a base coat. But since I already have that gel builder on, I'm going straight in with the nail polish. You're just going to do a very light, thin layer of this. You don't want to apply it too thick on the nail because when you cure it, it's going to look a little bit lumpy or bumpy. So use less product and just make sure that you cover the entire nail surface as well as the tip of the nail. That's what they call capping the nail. You don't want to have a nice painted nail with a white tip hanging off. So make sure to add a little bit of polish onto the tip. And then once you're done with this first thin layer, you're going to cure this polish. You're going to cure it for 2 minutes if you have a UV lamp like I do, or 30 to 60 seconds if you have an LED lamp. And I will make sure to leave a link in the description box for the exact lamp that I use, as well as the one that you can purchase from Madam Glam. Now that we've cured the first layer, we are going to do the same exact steps by applying another thin layer of that polish. This just makes it more opaque, and again, you want to cap the end of the nail to make sure that that is completely covered, and you are going to cure it again for 2 minutes or 30 to 60 seconds, depending on what LED lamp that you have. Now that we've cured that second coat, it's time for the top coat. And as you can see, the polish has changed colors because when I was curing it, my nails got warm, which is why it turned to that really light pale color. When you're doing the top coat, again, you want to do a nice thin layer of this top coat. If you are not doing anything else beyond this, this would be your very last step. And the reason I love this top coat is because it's no wipe. And what that means is that once it is cured, there is no sticky residue. You are good to go. You don't have to wipe anything. It's perfect. So once you apply this, you're going to cure again for 2 minutes or 30 to 60 seconds. And at this point, if you're just doing polish, you would be done. But I am going to add this chrome powder by Madam Glam. This is the Rum and Coca-Cola chrome powder. So what you do is just take a little brush, or you can take a sponge applicator like you would apply eyeshadow with, and just run that over top of the nail. You only need the tiniest bit of powder, and you just keep rubbing it in until you don't see any powder on the nail anymore. It's almost like magic when you do this. It just adheres to the nail, and yes, you will have a little bit of powder around your nail that you're just going to use some type of brush to just brush it away before applying another top coat on top of this chrome powder. And the cool thing about this powder is that whatever base polish you use, it changes the color and the finish of the chrome. So I love playing around with this with different gel polishes because it changes every single time you use it. So it's really cool. And then I'm just taking a makeup brush to just kind of wipe away that excess powder, and then I'm going to apply another thin layer of the top coat. As you can see, my nails are like two different colors because it's kind of getting cool, but it's still kind of warm from curing the nails. So as I said, this is a chameleon polish by Madam Glam, so it does change colors with the warmth of your skin, which is just so neat. So applying another thin layer, and then once you apply this, you're going to cure it again for 2 minutes or for 30 to 60 seconds, and this is the final outcome. I did wash my hands to get rid of any powder, and of course my nails turned nice and pink because it was with cold water. And then the last step that I do is adding a cuticle oil. This is the one from Secret from the Dead Sea. This is what I always use. I put a dot of it on each cuticle and then just rub that in. That helps to moisturize the cuticles, especially after all of that buffing and curing and all of that. Your hands might feel really dry, so this just adds moisture back in, and it just gives a beautiful finish to the nails. So this is how I do my gel nails at home. Once you do it once or twice, you get the hang of it. It's super quick, super easy, and it saves you a ton of money by doing it at home versus going to the salon. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you really enjoyed it. And as always, I appreciate you guys' support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.